Hi, my name is Mariah Stinson, and this is my final design presentation for CST328 PawFinder. PawFinder is a mobile app concept designed to help people report, search for, and reunite lost and found pets in a simple and community-focused way. I wanted the app to feel simple and easy to navigate because someone using it may be stressed or trying to act quickly. The goal was to create a calm, visual experience that helped people understand what to do next and move through the app without confusion. After defining the main concept for PawFinder, I moved into the medium-fidelity wireframes. At this stage, I was focused on building the structure of the app and making sure the main user flow is clear before adding all of the final visual details. For the homepage, I wanted users to immediately have two clear options: report a pet or search lost and found pet listings. I used larger buttons, clear cards, and consistent page layouts to help guide the user through the app without making the screen feel too crowded. From there, I created the main screens a user would need, including the report form, the lost and found search page, the help page, and the stories page. I also kept the bottom navigation bar consistent across each screen, so users would always know how to move through the app. For visual direction, I started with the alumni sands and a navy-based color palette. I chose navy as the primary color because I wanted the app to feel calm. I also added soft green and peach accents to bring in some warmth and variety. These wireframes were also shaped by my content audit and competitive audit findings. I looked at two other lost and found pet websites, and I noticed that some of the color choices felt aggressive. After finishing the medium fidelity wireframes, I moved into the high fidelity version and started adding the visual details that made the app feel more complete. I kept the same basic structure and user flow, but refined the screens with real pet photos, icons, styled buttons, status labels, and more realistic listing content. For the typography, I used Alumni Sans Bold and Alumni Sans Medium because they felt clean, readable, and worked well with the app's simple layout. I also used Barlow Condensed Italic for the user stories text because it helped those quotes feel a little more personal and separate from the rest of the interface. For the visual design, I continued to add the peach and green accents and help highlight important parts of the interface, like the listing status, active pages, and action buttons. I also added icons to the bottom navigation bar so each section would be easier to recognize quickly. For the final prototype, I redefined the original design by applying suggested changes, simplifying the interaction states, and adding more interactive details. The home screen starts with two main sections: report a pet and search lost and found pets. I wanted these buttons to be easy to find right away because those are the most important tasks for the user. The home screen also includes a featured story to bring into the community and reunion side of the app. From there, I'll go to the report screen. This page lets users report either a lost or found pet or a found stray. I organize the form into sections so it'd feel easier to complete. The first section is for pet details. The second section is where the user would upload a photo. And as you can see, they can either take a photo or they can choose from their library. The third section asks for the last seen or found location and the date. When the user submits a report, a confirmation pop-up appears to let them know that the report was submitted. Next is the lost and found search page. This page lets users filter listings by lost and found or reunited pet. They can also filter by cats or dogs and adjust the distance. Each pet is shown as a card with a photo and basic details, so the page is very easy to scan. When the user clicks on the View Details, a pop-up overlay opens up with more information about the pet. From there, the user can either contact someone or share the listing. At the bottom of the page, there's also a Load More Results button, so users can continue browsing through more pets. The help screen explains how PawFinder works using a simple report, share, and reunite process. I also included a tips and FAQ section so that users can click through if they need more guidance. They can use the report a pet button on this page to go directly back to the report form. The last screen is the user stories page. This page shows successful reunions from the PawFinder community. There is a featured story at the top. And then there's also recent reunion section that shows pets that were recently reunited with their owners. And if a user wants, they can submit their own reunited story. Overall, the prototype is meant to show a simple path through the app, report a pet, search listings, get help, and celebrate successful reunion. PawFinder was designed around a simple path: report, share, and reunite. I enjoyed working on this project for a CST328 because it let me combine visual design with a topic that I truly care about. Thanks for watching!